It's a magical forest. Nous sommes dans the forêt magique. We are in the magical forest. What are these animals? What are the animals that you can see in this image? I can see an owl. Je vois un hibou. Je vois un paresseux. I can see a sloth. Oh, there is a fox. Je vois le renard. I can see a rabbit. Je vois un lapin. I can see a badger. Je vois un blaireau. I can see a squirrel. Je vois un hibou. What else can I see? I can see a bear. Je vois un hibou. Et un cerf, a deer. Et un papillon, a butterfly. Les animaux. These are all animals. So let's learn about emotions through these animals. Can you take a few minutes and look at this image and see what are the emotions in these animals? Take a closer at each